Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Questco employee account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in questco.net and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Questco website. Now click on Client Portal at the top section and now you will see the employee login option. Go ahead and click on it and you will be taken into the employee login portal. Just type in your username within the username box that you have set up while creating your account and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Questco employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password option to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Questco employee account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.